Tropical heat and frantic shopping. It is Christmas season in southern Nigeria, and people are getting ready for the holiday feast. But something unexpected is on the menu. The following video contains footage that might be disturbing to some viewers, but I ask you to remain respectful. Less than 1% of Nigeria's population eats dogs. This is their story. As soon as I learned that they eat dogs in Nigeria, I knew I had to try it. There are so many different types of meat out there. Why would someone eat a dog? It didn't take long to find what we were looking for. The animals look healthy and well fed, but dogs can carry an expression of deep sadness on their faces, and I definitely noticed that here. They are Basenji dogs, a primitive breed that isn't well suited to being trained as pets. They cost 40,000 naira each, which is around 72 US dollars. Is there any for like 20?
20?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. That would be very small though.
So what is so special about dog meat that causes people to pay such outrageous prices? We leave the dog trader and go to a dog meat restaurant to find out.
No, we have two ways of killing it.
So, why do you eat dog meat?
If I eat?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Do you prefer dog meat to cow or goat?
Yeah.
Why?
It's very sweet.
The taste is better.
It's very, very sweet. We enjoy the meat.
How did you get into the business?
You say?
How did you get into the business of dog meat?
Okay. It's when I returned back from service, from
Okay.
NYSC.
Yeah.
I've been working for somebody, but though the payment was not okay, I had to quit the job
Okay.
and start the business myself.
Okay.
I started it on the 24th December.
Now he starts a fire where he will place the carcasses. The fire burns off the hair while preserving the skin. Every edible part of the animal will be used. Nothing is wasted. The high heat also pasteurizes the meat, helping it stay good for longer without refrigeration. We are in the middle of Africa in 100-degree heat, burning dead dogs in a tire. Suddenly, one of the carcasses gets trapped in the tire, and we are struck by the absurdity and discomfort of the situation. The butcher makes good money selling dog meat, but I don't think this is how he expected his life to turn out.
I would say Nigerian government has failed us.
You see,
This is
you
why.
see what a graduate can do. You see, Nigerian government no job here. We don't have job.
No job in this country.
What would you rather do? What job would you rather do versus this?
Huh?
What job would you rather do?
What the graduates do?
Yeah, no, what job do you want as a graduate?
As a graduate,
Yeah.
I'm a graduate of computer science. I can work in the airport. I'm a graduate of computer science.
So you so you studied computer science.
Yeah,
But this is where you're working
yeah.
because of no job.
No job in the
No
country.
job in Nigeria. Standing here, a graduate of mass communication, which you know, no
Yeah.
job here,
Yeah.
no job. So we need the attention of the Americans. God will bless them.
The country has failed us.
Now that he is finished singeing the fur, the butcher puts out the fire and takes the carcasses to the front of his shop to finish preparing the meat and possibly attract some customers. Now the butcher begins the difficult task of scraping off the burnt parts to make the meat presentable for customers. I take this as an opportunity to ask a few more questions. So is dog meat popular? Is dog meat popular?
It's popular.
So how much is one whole dog like this worth?
For me to prepare it is 40,000.
Okay. So do you make a lot of money doing this business?
This is what I use in paying my house rent, feeding myself.
Yeah.
And by God's grace, 26th of March next year is my marriage. This is
Okay.
where the money comes out.
Good. Dogs have poison.
That's poison.
Wow. By now, most of the meat is sold, and these are the only two pieces left, the head and the telephone, which is the loin of the animal with intestines included. But the women at the restaurant have used the rest of the dog meat to create a soup, which includes bitter leaves and periwinkles, which are those tiny snails you find at the beach. In Nigeria, dog meat is traditionally served with palm wine, which is an alcoholic beverage made from palm tree sap. Cheers! We dig into the feast. How do you like it? After the meal, the butcher has something to show us. A puppy he rescued from the dog meat trader. He plans to raise it as a pet.
I want to nurse it and keep it.
As a pet.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this film and would like more exciting travel content about Africa, be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.